Okay guys, today I got scammed by a person for the 5th time. So I'm trying for everyone to spread this word and search D-T. Decided. Yes, this one. Go report him. And I want this to spread all around Roblox, like all around it. This boy over here, he makes fun of me from his Robux, and he almost scams me. So we need to spread this word big, big, big. And also this other person that also scams me. Look, search Ben Casra 40. And when you go down, look, you see these people, right? No, bye. To go down, you go down like all the old people. You go down if you saw a specific green bean wearing a hat with a necklace with a VIP shirt. Of course, report him. I want this to spread around Roblox. All around Roblox. All around Roblox. I want this to be serious education. If you know the CEO of Roblox, absolutely tell him to ban both of them. Bye.